up, buddy? Oh. Woo-hoo-hoo! All right, it is the final video of 2025, and we're going on a ride out, boys. Well, this ride out actually happened months ago for the Goonies October ride. We haven't even posted this video at all yet, but I figured we have to before the end of the year. And let me tell you, boys, it was nuts. A bunch of homies got arrested. There was over 50 bikes that got towed away and taken to the impound. The problem was I wanted to post footage of this ride, but I had none because I was not there. Luckily, someone sent me some footage that they went on this ride. We were able to use CGI, so we were able to use my scooter on his footage and make it look kind of like how my videos do when I go on ride outs. So you guys will be able to see all that. So now you guys will be able to see all that footage. But I figured since it is the final video of 2025, we had to do a little bit of a year-end recap and answer some of the questions that were left on the last video. Talked about it a little bit last time, the RM65. Don't look too much at it. We got some new goodies on there. Someone did comment about the Yellow Elite, asking for an update on the Yellow Elite. It's kind of just sitting here. So now we might end up building this still as a budget scooter. I think that will be the plan for this next upcoming year. The Jog, we do have some big plans for the Jog. The Pook, we have a video actually in the works, halfway through. We just got this thing fully road legal now. Super sick because now you don't have to worry about anything. It's always scary riding like a expensive project that you put time in out on the streets, possibility of it getting taken away. The F12, that was the video we posted last. A lot of people were talking about, obviously, you know, like you could 3D print or you can use fiberglass to fix our problem with the headset that happened. We wanted to ride it and make sure everything worked, and then that happened right at the end. So we kind of just did this as a temporary fix. It's not worth going through and making it out of fiberglass, sanding that down, and then having to repaint the whole thing. You're talking about hours of work. You can get the piece for like $100 $150 is what I got it for last time. Kind of like right on the border of just like worth it just to get a new one. I think it's fine for now. The Typhoon is actually the next thing on the chopping block. It's kind of annoying right now how we have the garage set up and we run out of space so quick. We don't have much shelving space or table space. Everything kind of has to stay on the floor and moving here. So having 3 or 4 projects going at one time becomes a very strong headache and worry that you're going to lose parts. So having the runner stripped apart like this, and then also trying to do the Typhoon at the same time just did not sound fun. I got a Cub project going on, so that's why the Typhoon is literally just like sitting here next in line. It's not getting touched until we finish the runner. BWS, the Zumas, the pre-bugs, those are always kind of just there. Those aren't going nowhere. For the car dudes, E36 is actually down right now. The engine has been limping along for the last like year or so. The last drift event we went to, pretty much called it done for the valve seals on that thing, and that motor is in very much need of TLCs. A very sad update on the Volkswagen Bug that sits here as a rolling go-kart right now at the moment. Has everything brand new on it, brand new floor pans, brand new every nut and bolt possible, rear disc, front disc, engine is fully rebuilt and just collecting dust. I did not touch this thing one time this year. I'm in no rush to finish it, and it's gonna be a car I'm gonna keep forever. So it's kind of like I dumped money into it and then you kind of get burnt out on spending money on it, so you kind of back up. It just needs to be paint work. After the paint, it's kind of just like nut and bolt everything back together. Honestly, no rush on the Bug. I want it perfect. I kind of set that thing aside until I feel like, you know, really spending money on a car project. Big update coming on the Donk very soon. I love this thing. I don't know why, but I love that thing. But we need to clean it up, and we got a lot coming for the Donk actually. Update on the house slash kind of Donk. We have Donk parking now over here, just freshly done. So we'll touch more base on that in the Donk video. The Donk will no longer fit through the garage very soon. And last video, I mentioned that we do have some bikes I haven't shown you guys yet. I'm not gonna show you every single bike, but I wanted to show you guys this one because who doesn't love a Piaggio Typhoon, baby? We got another one. Oh my God, I didn't even notice this thing had a, oh no, it has a ZX pipe. That's so, oh, tech, no. We got another Typhoon. It definitely is beat to absolute crap. I did get this thing for only $300, so super steal on the Piaggio Typhoon, but she needs a lot of work. This one might be one of those skeleton style ones that we're not running body panels on. All right, but that was a little update. We have a ton to do with this upcoming year. A ton of cool projects that we could build. The rest of this video is a ride out. All the footage we got was leading up to the point where it looks like the cops came and everybody got arrested. Luckily, the dude who sent me this footage said that the cops let them kind of ride away before it got to mayhems, because like over 50 bikes were taken that auction at that impound yard the next couple weeks probably went insane. Honestly, we probably could have bought like 30 Groms. But there's your update on everything else going on in the MOPBOYZ garage, and let's get to the riding footage. Las Vegas Goonies takeover, boys. We got all the Portland boys out here in Vegas actually, which is crazy. They all drove out here. It's sick. There's a ride out. Yeah, we're going to the meetup right now. Damn. So in about 20 minutes.
I gotta go home and take care of the dog, take the dogs out.
Oh man. What up? What up? You ready?
Oh, Josie's scooter's ass.
Let's go, boys. We have a pretty big group out here today, actually. Let's go. Huh? What up, buddy? How you doing? Bobby G. Woo! Spicy, spicy. Oh, he hit it hard. Oh, 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 oh. Woo-hoo-hoo! I think the noise got louder there, Skylar. Yeah. I like the monkey. Definitely been breaking in our cylinder, I would say. We have been beating the crap out of this new fresh build on this ride.
Nada. I didn't even get to get my drink.
I know. Oh, they gave up now? Oh, shit. The cops finally let off. Finally. This dude's using the throttle on the throttle body down there. Oh my god. That'd be the craziest thing I've ever seen. Bro, he was using... That was probably the craziest thing I've ever seen. Man, these cops won't give up. We've had the cops on us all day from different parts of the cities. What the fuck was that? That shit hit me right in the arm. 360? I know, look, and there's another cop. There's a cop right here on our left. Let's go. Go left. Yeah, go left.
See the guy on the ground getting dragged? Handcuffed.
No.
Hey, how much for those?
That's my bike.
Oh my god.
I think.
Where's your bike?
I'm gonna get really close to
Those
it.
bikes lined up.
Is that it?
Yep.
That looks like it.
Yep.
That was insane. I'm glad we got to see some of the footage from that ride because it looked like a crazy ride out. Hopefully we can make it to the next one, but with AI and CGI, it felt like we were really there. That is going to do it for this one. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year's. I hope you guys have a great new year and set some goals for the next year. I know I have a lot of goals set for myself and for the YouTube channel. I will see you guys in the next year with a bunch more sick projects and big ideas. Happy New Year, and I will see you guys in the next one.